Scientists use units from the metric system. The units that Americans use are derived from the units that English colonists brought with them in the 1600s. These units are known as standard or English units, and some example of standard units include feet for length, gallon for volume, and pound for weight. All scientists use the metric system, which allows them to have a standard set of references for measurements. Furthermore, since the metric system is based on powers of 10, it is simple to convert between measurements. Finally, the metric system has a wide range of units ranging from extremely small to extremely large. In the chemistry laboratory, the most commonly measured physical properties include mass, volume, time, and occasionally length. Metric units can be classified as base units or prefixed units. The base metric unit for mass is gram, symbolized by lowercase letter g. Mass is a measure of how much matter there is. Although weight is different than mass, the two are related and we can use them interchangeably in this class. Just for context, the mass of a paperclip is approximately 1 gram. Volume, sometimes known as capacity, is how much space something occupies. This is useful for measuring liquids and gases. A base unit that we will use in the lab is the liter, signified by lowercase letter L. I often actually use a capital letter L because a lowercase l looks like a capital letter I or the number 1. In the laboratory, a graduated cylinder is often used to measure the volume of liquid or aqueous chemicals. For context, 1 liter is approximately equal to 1 quart. Occasionally, we will measure length in the laboratory. The meter, symbolized by lowercase letter m, is the base metric unit of length. A meter is about 3 inches longer than a yard is. The metric and standard systems use seconds, minutes, and hours. Seconds are the base unit of time for the metric system. Metric prefixes enable metric units to span a large range of magnitudes. Regardless of whether we measure mass, volume, length, or time, these prefixes always have the same meaning. Many of these prefixes are listed on table 1.2 of the text, which is displayed on this slide. Giga, symbolized by a capital letter G, always means 1 billion. Thus, a gigameter is 1 billion meters long. Milli, symbolized by lowercase letter m, always means 1,000th. Thus, 1 milligram is equal to 1,000th of a gram. These prefix relationships are based on powers of 10. It is important to distinguish between capital letters and lowercase letters. For example, capital M or mega stands for a million, while lowercase letter m or milli stands for 1,000th. Micro, or 1 millionth, is symbolized by the lowercase Greek letter m or mu.